back from the dead.
The French rider Marvin Musquin. The two KTM riders get to the end of the first rhythm section, and it's Musquin with the early lead, and Chad Reed is right in the thick of it. So's Anderson, and here comes Dungey on the number 1 and 5th.
That first turn, there was a lot of bar banging going on. Seeley was up front there. Looked like he was going to have a good start. He got shaken around, bumped around. We'll see where he comes by the finish line.
Second hole shot of the year for Brayton, and Dungey's already pushing. Here he comes. He's bar to bar through the rhythm section with Reed. Into the sand they go. Dungey gets through first. Anderson's now up to 4th. He will set his sights on the two-time Australian champion.
Two of the fastest riders of the night.
Dungey right into second place now as he gets around Brayton. And now Dungey will try to hunt down his Red Bull KTM teammate, Musquin, who's in the lead.
Well, this is great news for Dungey. Roczen back in 16th now.
Oh, Anderson right into the side of Brayton, Jeff. Watching Dungey into the whoop section. Anderson just in front of Brayton. There goes Stewart. Here's Roczen on the 94. Way back behind Purcell. They're running 13-14.
Roczen on the first lap was 16th. Seeley, he was 12th on the first lap, now up to 8th. Two of the fastest riders here tonight that I expected would contend for the win. But this start has really set them back here. And Musquin and Dungey out front with a clear track.
Kennard on the 41 behind Roczen. He'll follow him to the high line as they try to get around Purcell. Boy, look at all the traffic in front of him, too. Try to pick your way through here.
Purcell gets by Freezy.
Roczen looking to do the same here as he comes to the inside and just sails past Vince Freezy.
Yeah, Kennard right here. He's looking like Freezy's next on his list. He gets by Freezy.
Roczen certainly very quick here tonight, but that start is really going to hinder him as Pike and Stewart are fighting just in front of him. That's over 10th, and Pike is now in front of James.
Roczen has not been able to get past Purcell. And watch the line that Purcell takes right here. He double singles in that rhythm section and then takes the inside and